Welcome, Tana and Kevin. For us, it's a pleasure and an honor to celebrate a perfect example of love and unity. Open your heart and mind to listen to the next words that our shaman will be telling you in Mayan. We have some very special seeds inside here. Seeds represent opportunities. What do you wish to plant? Here, cacao seeds, you shall put the best intentions within yourself because you are going to exchange them. What you're holding within your hands is a shell. It's a container. It will represent the containing of your dreams, of your intentions, of your projects. Because whatever you plant, that is what you're going to harvest. Think it's something for yourself, for your beloved ones, for all around. And also, very special and very important, what we called at the beginning of the ceremony, the sacred essence of life. We have all the blessings from all of us, and it is now our turn to give you that last shower of blessings from our traditions, from our culture, from our people. Just heart to heart, look into each other's eyes, you can give that special kiss of love.